Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber of mine or if you've seen my videos, you may realize the quality is a little bit worse and probably the audio too. I currently can't find my charger to my battery for my camera, so I'm recording this on my phone. And I wanted to get this video up for you guys as soon as possible, and I want to record the unboxing because you guys, if you couldn't tell by the title, I have the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery box. I don't know what size it is because I wasn't really like paying close attention to it because I didn't expect that I was gonna get one, but my sister had bought in two, and then she said that the palette that's inside of it he's not selling anymore, and so I was like, I need it. And so I bought one off my sister. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I am going to be posting some videos soon. It's just I'm pre-recording. I'll be filming a whole other video on that when I find my battery charger, so stay tuned and please excuse my lack of put togetherness. It is late, I feel sick. Anyway, without further ado, let's just get into the video. So here it is. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how pretty this box is. Wow. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. I'm pretty sure everybody and their mother and their brother have seen this, but I saw it once. I saw when my sister opened it. But you guys, this literally, I'm gonna put this shit on right now. It has like this little embroidery patch that has like the Jeffree Star logo, and it says Jeffree and then Star. And I'm gonna try this on because my hair is a mess anyway, so. Oh my gosh, this shit's slipping off. Okay, emo kid. Cute. Maybe not. What? I don't even know how to do my bangs now. Anyway, I couldn't figure that shit out. But it is cute nonetheless. I probably won't wear it, but being honest, just because I'm not a beanie person or a red person. But anyway, let's continue. So my sister gave me her other pop socket, so I have two of these now, which is nuts. I love pop sockets, let alone pink and then Jeffree Star, like bitch. And then I noticed the gloss. Oh my gosh, this gloss is the prettiest thing I have ever seen. I think this is exclusive to the Valentine's Day box because of the packaging. I don't know, but you guys, this is called Succulent. It's pink and it has like this beautiful like gold reflect in it, like gold, pink, and maybe purple. So gorgeous. And I love the top on this, that it's like gold and pink. I have the Shane Gloss in one, the gloss, and it is so pretty, but bitch, this is more my aesthetic, and oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do a quick swatch for you guys because this is stunning. I'm gonna do a swatch on my arm. It is a clean arm, I have nothing on it. Oh, let's see if it smells like anything. I don't know what it smells like. Kind of smells like vanilla, but I could be totally wrong because I'm so bad with scents. But oh my god. You guys probably can't see that, but holy smokes. You guys, whoa. I will put a clip of me showing you guys what this looks like in right now. It is so stunning. It literally, well, obviously it looks pink, but it has like blue and purple reflex in it. Oh, stunning. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting like blue and purple. You guys, this, oh fuck, I wish you guys could see it. Nonetheless, it looks gorgeous on camera because of the pink. Anyways, there's nothing in this. Oh my gosh, my nails just chipped the packaging, and this packaging literally so pretty. So here is the Alien palette, and oh my gosh, you guys can't really see it, but it's like sparkly. It is so gorgeous. I'm gonna try my best to not rip this because I have a collection of Jeffree Star papers. Okay. Wow. You guys, whoa! You guys, this packaging is stunning. Like, it doesn't obviously like have real sparkles in it. Kind of thought about that, but it looks like a galaxy, and it is gorgeous. Okay. Whoa! Wow! You guys, look how cool this is. This actually is like up a little bit and it's like a leathery texture. Okay, so let's open her up very carefully. Ooh, this mirror literally looks like a beauty blender, but it's so cute. You guys, look at those colors. Okay, I know this is my favorite color already. That is gorgeous. That purple, that greeny color. Oh, alien. I'm definitely gonna do some swatches, not tonight, but in an upcoming video, I will do a look on this. And oh my gosh. These are more stunning in person than I thought they were in the video when he first came out with the palette. You guys, oh my gosh. So stick around and subscribe if you guys want to see a look on this. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but if you have ideas, either DM me, because most of my watchers are my friends. Thank you very much. I love you. And either comment on this video. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the new intro and maybe outro. I don't know what I'm doing for the outro yet, but thank you guys for sticking through this video so far. And hopefully I will get my shit together soon and get some more videos up for you guys. I also probably am going to order a new battery and a charger for the battery because this sucks recording on my phone. So also be sure to follow my socials, my Instagrams. I have 2 of them, one for my makeup looks that I haven't posted on forever, you guys. I'm so sorry, I'm slacking. And my main account. I'll have them linked in the description down below, but I will also have my Snapchat and my TikTok and maybe Twitter. I don't really use Twitter, but if you guys want me to use Twitter, let me know too. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thumbnail. Ooh, also ignore my pimples, like my 2 monsters right here. I'm embarrassed. It has like this like little embroidery. Ooh, oh my gosh, is this gonna fit my big head? Was it better without it? This is why I don't wear hats. I'm going to, whoa, that smelled weird when I opened it. Not like weird bad, but like a good weird.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no